Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to merge the cell in your table in WPS Office Writer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button that below and we will move on to the video. So how to merge the cell? You just want to insert a table first. So I just inserting a 3 into 3 table here. So I just need to merge this cell. So I just numbering as 1, 2, 3 and here 4 and 5. Okay, so I just need to merge these two cells as one to become it as 12 or to become as 1. So I just changing this to 2 and I just need to merge this. You just need to select the table, two cells like this, and then you can see a icon here on the table tool, just merge cell. You can use those directly. So the table or the cell has been merged. Actually, why the size has changed, just given 2 lines. And after that I just need to center the table. Just right click here, first select this, and you can use this as justification to center, so automatically it will be on center. So you can also merge the two cells vertically or horizontally. Right click here, you can also have an option to merge cell here, just merge cell. So by this option you can easily merge the cell to your wish and make the center by the justified as center here like this. So I just need this cell center. So it's actually making a center, but it doesn't have making the cell center. So you just click on the right click here, you can see a cell alignment, and here you just need to click this, so which make center of the cell. Right click, first select the whole table and right click and go to the cell alignment and just click on, there will be 9 options here. You just need to click on the center option, which align everything on the cell center. You just need to know the difference between the center and cell center. Center means it will arrange here, but cell center will arrange the whole cell will be considered and it will be on the center. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about WPS Office Writer, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.